We're going to try to make the cat finger puppet in origami. Start with your square, fold it into a triangle. Take that triangle from the center, fold down the first flap, and then the second flap. That is called a helmet base, right there. Okay, from here, you're going to bend up. You're going to go from the corner out here on the edge, fold it up so that this is going straight up. That's your first ear. From the corner, so that it's straight up, and they should basically meet at the center, just like that. Okay? Now, take first flap on the top, fold it up. Now you've got a series of triangles. We're going to take this side, right here, going to fold it backwards. I know that feels weird, but that is what you do. That's the first one. Take this side, fold it backwards. This is what you should be looking at. Turn it over. Okay, now fold up from the bottom. You have your puppet. Put your face on here, kitty cat, and you're all done. Good work.